I hope after watching this video you are inspired to revamp some of your existing forms or create new forms using these advanced tools. You learned that end users can save time and avoid errors on calculating values because ONBASE can do it for them using calculated fields. Your forms can be dynamic and interactive by creating custom actions. Unity forms are majestic unicorns, and each one can be customized with a rainbow of colors and a variety of fonts in the theme designer. You can now share your form with literally the world. Your forms can live outside of ONBASE using the Share Form feature and can be translated in several languages with the Translations tool. And for you workflow wizards out there, next time you need to capture data from your end users, consider using a workflow form. These tools help ensure the data entered on the form is accurate and promotes a positive end user experience. For more information on Unity Forms, follow the Unity Forms group on Community. This is Sarah Lemp wishing you success with all your Unity